What's up, Poker Maniac TLP? Back to another video, man. We got the we got a $300 balance, betting $25 every hand and raising accordingly. $5 on the sides. If you want to play this, you want to play first person blackjack, go to teamforeverpaid.com/casino, sign up with Gamba, and check out all casinos link and sign up with all the casinos that you see there for giveaways. We can tip on all of them except one
You
of them.
win.
This is a double down. Let's get it. 21, easy.
You win.
All right. Let's really press it here. Only a $50 profit. Come on, we need a side bet. Ah, come on, man. It was a raise, but we wanted a club there, and we lose. All right, 300. We're down 100. Come on, we gotta slowly build again. 17 versus 3. We need that bust, and it's not a bust. All right, let's go back to the side bet method. Side bet method. Ooh, it was supposed to be a 4. We're gonna double down, obviously. 19. Let's go.
You win.
Only down what, 110? We'll get it. Don't rush in blackjack. Don't have it. Do not rush in blackjack. That's why you don't want to rush. Come on, let's get it straight here. Nope, we get 16. We gotta stand it. And we're all in with sides. It's a 20. Get out. Dude, come on, bro. Bro, that's stupid, bro. 4. 14 stand. 5, 6 underneath. Get out. Let's go.
You win.
Let's go, bro. You saw the balance? It did something funky. 18. Alright, come on. Double down, simple. 18 bust with a jack or a queen. Which one? There it is. The queen.
You win.
Alright, give me trip jacks. I haven't seen trip jacks on this game. Okay, another double down. Jack. Queen, okay. We'll take it. 4. No, man. Easy double. There we go.
You win.
Can we get triple fives here? No, we get a 7, 18. Alright, we're gonna stand it. 18, that's good.
You
We're
win.
down 40, come on. Ooh, nice pair, nice pair. We're gonna split it up, get some money on there. We're gonna double down but we can't because it's evolution. We're gonna stand. They're gonna bust with a queen or jack. Huh? But how about both of them?
You win.
Come on, man. Where's my straight flush? We'll take a 19. We'll take a 19. Nice.
You win.
Come on. Keep it going, bro. Like I said, bro, if you find yourself losing 3 and 4 hands in a row, bro, get off the table. In a row, man. Get off the table. Stop playing. Don't rage. I'm actually gonna split All right, we'll take that. We're gonna stand that. Come on, 6, 7. Get out. Nice.
You win.
That's what I'm saying, bro. You have the option to stand. If you split and you don't get a good hand, just stay. Ooh, another perfect pair. Hit that 9. Okay, we'll take it. I'm not even gonna say it. We'll take it. That's still profit.
You win.
Way more than profit. We're gonna raise here. Should bet a hundo. Alright, 17 versus 3. Gotta catch that groove. Glad we didn't go to 100. Alright, we're gonna run it back though. Alright, just hit it. Give me the 10. Gotta hit again. Nice. Did not expect that, honestly. But we gotta connect. We gotta win these, bro. We're gonna go back down because it's playing games with us right now. We gotta go back down. Subscribe to the channel, bro. Hit that subscribe button right now. We're gonna get a 4 if you hit that sub. Well, you didn't hit it. Man, hit that sub, bro. We gotta get a dub. Nope. Man, press that subscribe button, bro. We gotta get to 100,000 by tomorrow. Share these videos. Let's go, man. Y'all always wanna... Y'all be like, oh, tip me, but y'all ain't even on my code, bro. I don't know y'all. You feel me? If y'all gambling on my code, then I can do tips. Doesn't that make sense? We got a flush. 6.
You win.
Watch this. Watch this face card. Oh. Told you. Read the cards, what they're doing. Oh, come on.
You win.
But, we'll just keep that same bet. We'll raise the 50, though. Yeah, we'll double down because we're savage. Yeah, that's the max outcome. Come on. 18. Or that's good, too.
You win.
Nice 6s. Let's split them up. We're gonna stand and we're gonna stand. Oh, if I would have just hit, huh? I'm tweaking.
You win.
And you're supposed to hit 6s, bro. What am I doing, bro? It doesn't matter. We'll get it back. We'll get it back. 13. That's a 21. Let's hit. Okay. Wow. Trip ace was underneath. We needed that. Blackjack. Finally. Another 8.
You win.
We're gonna see another 8. Not this round, but the next round. Yeah, we're gonna hit this though. Nice. Confident hit. I don't always hit, but that was a confident hit.
You win.
Now we're gonna get an 8 in this round. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Nope, no 8. Let's hit it. 7. Ah, come on, bro. If that's a 5, 6, we'll stand that. Alright, let's go ahead and hit it. Get that BS out the way. Now we're back on track. Now we can play. Now we can play. I know we lost, but now we can play. We're going to do 100. We're going to try to 50 profit. Side bet. Oh, come on, Drew. 50 profit, though. Come on. We got it. We got it. Simple. Nope. Try it again. Dude, where's the 10 or the 7? 7. Get out.
You win.
Alright, we can't go for that again. Unfortunately, we missed 2, 3 times in a row. We're gonna hit this 4. Nope. It's a push. Alright, let's go. Let's go. We gotta go for it now. Bro, come on, bro. 7. Stand 7 underneath and bust.
You win.
We missed. Where's the king there? Bust. Nice.
You win.
We keep missing, guys. We keep missing. Gotta hit. Stand it. Get out.
You win.
Double down. Big king. Bust with a king. We'll take it.
You win.
Run it back. We need some siders here. I'm just gonna hit. Could have doubled. Yep, 10-10, literally.
You win.
We're gonna stand. Gotta bust. Let the dealer bust. Come on, man. We need these 20s. Wasting aces, bro. We lost. I'm wasting an ace too. Get out. Either way, bro. I hit. It's a 9. Seven. Good pull. All right, here we go. Come on, pair. Oh, come on, man. It's supposed to be a heart or something. Look at that trip 8s, bro. We raised the sliders too. Trips would have been amazing right there. 9, we gotta hit it, get a 10 there. Yep, okay.
You win.
Seven is there. 7 is there, man.
You win.
That's advanced strategy for you. I'm calling it. It felt so confident. We gotta stand that. Get out of there. Yep.
You win.
Alright, mini raise here. I'm gonna go for the mini raise right now. Come on. Okay, just stand it. 6 underneath, please. Yep, get out. Oh, okay. Alright, here we go. Here we go. They really did the false trips. We got 20 though. Bro. 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 Now you give me a pair, a juicy pair when I lower the sides. It just doesn't feel like
you win.
We're gonna stand it. Even though the 6 is near, where you at? 7. We would have won either way.
Win.
Either way. I hit, I get 21. I stand, we win. Come on, right now. Even. Yes. 650 on that. See,
you win.
We're playing blackjack and we're playing 21 plus 3 and we're playing pairs, right? It's all simultaneously happening, right? It just doesn't make sense. But it's like you're playing games. It's like when I feel like I'm not gonna win a blackjack hand, I'm gonna play for a pair or 21 plus 3, right? Sometimes I'll bet 100. It's the same outcome. I just put $100 on the sides. But you gotta pick and choose when you do that.
You win.
I don't recommend playing like that, but it's just it's like hitting the lottery, really. Hitting these side bets is kind of like hitting the lottery, bro. But you just sometimes you get a feeling. We're gonna split them up, get some money on the table. 15, 15. That'd have been 21 if that was the next card. If that's a 15, if this is a true 15. No, it still have been an 18, even where it's 20.
You win.
We get a little bit back. All right, this is for the game. 150. Yep. Oh, come on, man. Give me the diamond there. Nice. 150 raised.
You win.
Oh man. Alright, we gotta go for it. We gotta go for this 1,000 here. 7, please. 7. 6. Alright, let's do 50, no sides. Double down to get us in there. It's the right move. Let's go.
You win.
Alright, last hand and we're done. No sides. Come on, get the 21 there. Stand it, we double it down. Nope. Alright guys. Yep, we got to 1,000. Y'all subscribe to the channel. See y'all next video. Sign up with teamforeverpaid.com/casino. Sign up with that gambling link. Everybody welcome. No KYC. You feel what I'm saying? Just like make join the all the casino links. Message me. Join the Discord. Message me your usernames. Join the Patreon and message me your usernames. Be looking out for an email from me. Let's get it, bro. I can't give back if y'all ain't even on my code, bro. It doesn't make sense.